Okay, so let's have a look at some of the other evidence we can collect. So use good etiquette when communicating online. So a hint here, I can use effective blogging techniques, good title, good subject knowledge, etc. This is where you're showing you know how to make a good blog post. Okay, so this could be a number. You have to decide yourself what this is. So let's just take one randomly, and I'm going to go with this one. So let's click on print screen again, and whoops, you can right click and paste. Again, make it smaller. I'm going faster this time, and double click to bring up the crop tool and just get rid of the things that you don't need. Okay, so I'm moving that in. I want to definitely show the title. I'm going to show the image as well because that's important. I think I said on the last video to get rid of the crop tool you press return. You don't, you actually press the get rid of the crop here and then resize, and that will look like a nice piece of evidence there. Okay, so I'll just make that bigger again. You can see how that looks at 100%, which is a good piece of evidence. Okay, what does this one say? Again, pause if you need to, or rewind if you need to at any point. So use software with increasing independence. I can use consistent appropriate font styles, sizes or colour to improve the look of a blog post. You may find that the same piece of evidence goes twice. You could use the same thing twice. Okay, so I just did a quick copy of that one. So you can do copy, and I'll show you again. Right click and paste. Identify a range of ways to report concerns about digital content. I can state at least one way of reporting concerns about digital content. So you might find that your earlier blog has some information about what you need to do if you are concerned about being online. You might find that you didn't get to that bit when you did your online safety blog. And again, recognize acceptable or unacceptable behavior. I can describe the dangers of communicating online with strangers. I can explain why some websites have age restrictions. So I could go back to my earlier blog here, copy if I felt that had some useful information, and paste. You can see in this one it's got some stranger danger information. Okay, combine a variety of software to accomplish given goals. Use images from the web to embed in a blog and add a hyperlink to another website. So what we need to do is look around to see if there are any blogs that meet that criteria. So what I'm looking for is evidence, not just where you've put an image in the theme at the top, in the header, but where you've actually put an image inside the actual blog, and if you've actually maybe made a hyperlink where you click onto the piece of text, it goes off to another website, that sort of thing. And then this one, understand the opportunities computer and networks offer to communicate and collaborate. I can regularly comment on other people's work using good online etiquette. I can respond positively to comments from other people. So I'm looking for you to provide evidence of a good comment, not just a casual, well done type of comment. It needs to be a comment maybe where you've given 2 stars and a wish. You've given some people advice and you've been very kind, specific and helpful. And maybe where you've responded positively to the comments, maybe you've improved your work in some way based on someone's comment. You could maybe provide a couple of screenshots here. That would be good evidence. Okay. And be discerning in evaluating digital content. Have you in any place given advice about what to include in a blog profile? Perhaps you've said somewhere about what makes a good blog. If you have time, and you haven't done that already, you can create a blog which tells everybody what makes a good blog post, and you can insert the evidence there.